Top, hello, top, hello, goodbye. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, my name is AJ Pumpkin Smasher. And we're back with Angry Birds 5. My brother uninstalled it.
Come on, Mark. Get you that book again. See? This outfit's over here.
Anthony, I'm gonna tell you this last motherfucking time.
Okay. Invade Dr. Pig's lab. Yes. Been a while since I've been in. I'm on level 9. I can't use bomb, which I don't have. And all that. Stuff. I don't know.
Did you make a mouse jammy?
There we go.
Good. Make a mouse. No, you need to get dry and get dressed.
No, yeah.
Get your Mickey Mouse shirt.
So happy it's a core.
M-I-C-K-E
Mouse.
Hot dog.
Mouse.
Hot dog.
Mickey Mouse
Clubhouse. I'm inside. It's fun inside. Mickey Mouse. Clubhouse.
Come inside, it's fun inside.
Pluto.
Easy. Minnie.
Fudge.
Pluto. Goofy. And Mickey.
Right here.
Nope, Scotty. No, you got this puppy. Well, we'll try the cup first.
Good job, I got you the fudge.
If she does the cup, then
Fungus.
I know he has
Fungus,
a bunch
dungus, diddly, fungus, dungus, diddly, fundy, dungy, the one diddly, the one with the fungus. Nerm.
like a bottle.
I just stretched out all my sock.
The newbie ones, those are strong. The Nook ones are fucking $4 a nipple, and he fucking fights right through these goddamn things.
He bites them like the food.
The one of his cups is at your mom's house. Here,
He's a little cow or goat.
you want it or not? Here. No, you can't have it. Just box him up.
Been a while since I played this game.
Mama, don't this guy
I'm
too.
tired with this guy. Box him up. Fine. No.
Pull him up. There you go. Good job.
Been years since I played the game. It's been forever
I do
since I played the game.
I do them when
Die.
potty training. That's it. Like pull-ups are just defeat the purpose. You don't want them to feel like there's a cloth on them. They feel like there's a cloth on them.
No, but
And it
instead of
feels like a
strapping them
diaper.
on, let them just pull them on. It's no difference. You're strapping them and you pull them. Either way. They're still a diaper.
But in their mind, it's a diaper. You don't want him to be on it. You want him.
You go from pull-ups to the potty.
No. Die. I'm done with this guy. Box him up.
Boxing.
I'm a boxer. Gladiators. I don't want to publish this video. I totally suck. Get off my turf, little bit. Stay up all night, try to get lucky. Stay up all night and hang honey. Die, 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 ow. There's a daffodil, dumpford, hellbent. Hellbent, danger, darling. No, planet, darling, super planet, darling. No, you're a honey herb. I need to get back in the swing of things. Okay, mother pants. Get the pants off of the bird. Because the bird is the word. Bird, and the bird is the word, and the bird, and the boy is the word. Ooh, nice. Up. Oh, sweet. She looks awesome. And she looks awesome. Plus, she gets more defense from it. That's awesome. Okito. Oh.
What about AJ?
God. Night night, Marky. Smooches. Smooches.
Love you, AJ.
Bye. Bye. Huggy. Night night, Marky. Ow. Who's Kevin? There's a lot.
You know how I used to hate brushing my teeth?
Now you love blushing your teeth.
Yep, because I got the new.
I said blushing your teeth.
Brushing my teeth.
I said blush in your teeth.
Oh, I thought I said that.
No, I said blush in your teeth.
And what? I said blushing?
Yeah, you said it all right. They're at the same level. 315, 315. This might be unfair. It's a stronger girl, more uptight girl than an immature boy. No, I'm a boy. Boys are awesome. Thumbs up, bro. Give me thumbs up, douche. Kevin. There we go. There we go. Sweet chariot. So fun. He's got better everything than me. That would have been better for you. It's a pony just for you. Imaginate is still not a word. Imaginate you along with me, and I'll imaginate with you. And imagine that there's so many things that we can do. Fudge, dudge, Philly, fudge, godge, dilly, there's it, bird, the dirt, dirt. Yeah, fudge. Nurm, 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 nurm. Die, 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 die. There we go. I win. He's got better everything than me. Nice tail win! Yay! Magical wieners! Why did I just scream that in front of all you guys? Whoa. I can't believe it's 2017. My kids will probably think, wow, you're old. I learned the meaning of life. It's not much of a meaning, but how life is. Just wait, 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 and wait again till you die. I'm sorry, YouTube. I just had to get it out of my system.
Daddy? Cash, shut that door. Shut the door. Daddy. Daddy.
There we go. Okay.
And after that, brush your teeth.
If you guys like this video, punch that like button in the face like a manliest man you can manly be on Man Day. Because it's way past New Year's. About 4 days. Couple minutes. 4 days and a couple minutes. And after we defeat this battle, I'm jumping in the shower and that's it for the games. So...
I'm gonna see if we have a bed in our room.
No, we don't. Okay.
Our
Hope you guys like this video. Punch that like button in the first. Like the manliest man you can manly be. And see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye. Yeah.